We could rattle off plenty of statistics to convince you how much online reviews matter, like how 82% of people head straight for review sites when they're interested in a product or service, or how consumers are likely to spend an average of 31% more on a business that has great reviews. But if you only remember one number about online reviews, let it be this one. 90% of consumers read them. Pretty much everyone is online now, even your grandma. And she's probably reading online reviews about your business. So if good reviews bring in customers, doesn't it stand to reason that lots of good reviews will bring in even more customers? Not necessarily. The online review world actually has a seedy underbelly. In this dark place, businesses post, or hire someone else to post, rave reviews about their own company. Posting fake reviews isn't just ethically shady, it's a really uncool thing to do. But that doesn't stop some folks from plastering falsely inflated ratings across every online review site out there. But there's good news. Many review sites already have your back. If an inordinate number of reviews are coming from a single IP address, it doesn't take an IT genius to see what's going on. Online review site admins can tag the offending page with a big glaring sign that warns visitors if something seems fishy. In other words, all those shiny 5-star reviews won't do you a lick of good if they're fakey McFakertons. What about those of us who are super ethical and not posting falsely glowing reviews about ourselves? While we always vote for delivering 5-star service to your clients, the truth is you can't please all the people all the time. Genuine online reviews include a mix of ratings, some high and some not so high. If you're slapped with an unpleasantly low-star review, here's how to handle it. Respond in a timely manner, but not right away. Take a deep breath and get some perspective on the situation. Do not go on the defensive. We don't need to tell you how unprofessional it is to reply with a snippy comeback as much as you might like to. If you find yourself fuming after reading a bad review, step away from the keyboard and don't respond until you're calm. Ditch the canned response. Using the same response for every bad review isn't going to help your case. Instead, it shows you really don't give a crap about your customer's bad experience. Make it clear that you actually read the review. Address the specific details. Don't ignore or gloss over them. Apologize sincerely and tell them how you'll make it right. Can you do something to mend fences with this particular customer? If not, what can you change going forward to reassure others that this experience won't happen to them? Since online reviews are often what determines whether a person decides to spend their money on your services or not, they're kind of a big deal.